Welcome to COTA with Edge Addicts. I've got the 760 Middleton Motorsports car here at the wonderful Circuit of the Americas in Austin, Texas. Absolutely badass weekend. Weather's lovely. Tons of awesome cars. Amazing cars everywhere. GT500s galore. GT350R. It's going to be an epic weekend. Thanks for watching. Here we go. So I ended up coaching 10 sessions and only driving 3 due to a broken car. More on the broken car here in the next video once I get that fully resolved. You just saw Carter there. It was his first time on track ever. He was driving his dad's hopped up GTR. He did a great job. I show a little bit of that coaching session. Took an intermediate student out in his GT500. He did great. Had advanced students. Lots of coaching sessions. Very little driving, but an absolute epic weekend. Took 3 people for a ride along, tried a 4th one, the car didn't work. This gentleman's a GT500 owner, took him for a full send ride along. And then we're gonna show here my fastest lap for the weekend with my buddy here. He's an instructor as well. He drives a GT350R. He climbed in the right seat and off we went.
All right, y'all have fun, learn a lot. You got a great instructor.
All right, nice car.
It's my father's.
It's your father's. Has he driven it on this track?
Oh,
awesome. Yeah, so I have a YouTube channel. He follows my YouTube channel apparently, and
really?
He reached out to me and asked if I'd coach you.
Dang, that's a blessing to have a coach.
All right, here we go. Follow that Mustang. There we go. All right, turn 1. So we do big radius turns, coming over to the left, and then we're going to do a sweeper to the right, and we're going to slowly tighten up. We don't want to be against this runway too early. We'll tighten up against the runway right here, all the way up against it. And then middle of the track. Fish out right here, middle of the track. No, this is going to do the S's. So we're going to bend to the left. If we ever need to escape, all the room is off to the right over here. The wall is tight on the left. Beautiful. Nice little straight section here goes into the big back straight.
I played this track a lot on video games.
You know the track then. Beautiful. Flight station right there in the corner. Hang out, don't turn, don't turn, don't turn, don't turn, turn. It's called a late apex. That's
Late
it.
apex is a great apex.
That's right. Feet in the throttle. You see these orange markers on the fence? Those are escapes. If you have a problem, you don't turn. Now go all the way out to the green on the right side. All the way out here. Big radius. All the way out. Yes, perfect. Then you brake back. Over there. Don't turn, don't turn, don't turn, don't turn. You're turning it now. Now tighten, tighten, more. Feet in the throttle. Yeah, that's the line. Middle of the track. That's all. Stop. Lovely. Turn. Hard turn. Aggressive. There you go. Unwind. Big radius. So hard turn in, unwind. That makes sense? Yeah. So hard turn in, Introduce yourself.
What's up, YouTube? It's Carter here.
Carter. Carter is my blue student. So his dad has the
GTR.
which is a badass car, and first time on track ever today.
First time at COTA today, guys.
And first time driving on a track ever,
Oh, yeah.
right?
First time on a track.
He did great. Maybe I got some video, maybe we can put that in there, but great first time track experience, 2 sessions. Then we took him out in a crazy 760 Milton Motorsports car. Thoughts on that?
That thing is crazy.
I did say when we got off track, I said, don't try to replicate this. This is insanity. So work up to it. But yeah, a lot of fun. Brave soul for coming out. Parting
Thank
thoughts?
you so much.
You want to do some more of this stuff?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I love this.
Thanks for coming out to COTA.